안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
돌아온 직원 인터뷰 시간입니다.
Hello, my name is Seokjin. I'm a marketer of ESCO Korea. I like to describe the culture of ESCO is equality. Every colleague can express their idea freely, regardless of their position. And our colleagues have an open mind to embrace their ideas that will affect positive outcome on work. The weirdest food I've ever eaten was 𝗃𝗵𝗂𝗁. No offense for some of the country's food culture, but I cannot deny that the food was the strongest thing that I ever had. But different from my expectation, the taste was quite nice. ESCO is established in the year of 1989, right?